What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Classic Mustangs 429. We got a pretty interesting one for you today. We got a lead from Mustang Marie on a 1968 Mustang that's been sitting in a city garage for over 30 plus years. We've already pulled the trigger and purchased it. Now the fun begins of wrenching on it, getting it out of the garage, and somehow lowering it down the steep, narrow driveway without killing anyone or destroying anything. So you could say things are about to get pretty interesting. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. Now let's begin.
We're here to change the flat tire. Is it 4? We only bought 2. Oh, we gotta go all the way back home.
Hey mister, you need a hand there?
You know what? I'm looking at this.
Why you got a mask on?
Huh?
Because
there's people walking around here. So I'm looking at the shape of the driveway. I'm thinking, are we gonna even make the clearances with these little tires? It's heaved so hot, so much that it's probably gonna end up scrubbing the floor.
Yeah, that's true.
You're taping me?
Yeah.
These are COVID times.
These are COVID times. Alright, so here it is, people. Long, narrow driveway with quite the elevation change. Oh yeah. This might as well be steps.
Look at these drops.
Yeah.
Right there especially. Look at this one. We'll have to remove these stones, get the concrete cutter, we'll pour a new foundation here.
Well, we're doing concrete work too now.
Call Tony.
Call Tony.
I know a guy.
So yeah, you can see there's about 7 or so feet in between these houses. Here you can see the car tucked away in its resting spot for the past 30 so years. Flat tires. That's the one thing I forgot to bring, is a compressor. I brought 2 spare tires because I know this one is flat, according to the owner. That's actually the reason that this car was parked here so long ago, apparently, is a flat tire. And then life got in the way, and she sat ever since. Those are some nubby tires right there. You're gonna put these on the Impala for the winter time.
Right? Same bull tires?
Yeah, it is actually. Was it already loose? Okay, you want to jack it up first before you start zipping off lug nuts?
He's got a block.
Doesn't mean it's jacked up.
Huh?
Does it spin?
It's gonna fall? You're right.
Better safe than sorry,
Absolutely, that's my
Mr. Worrywart.
That's my motto.
That's right.
Okay, here we go. Car and park. What's it matter?
Huh?
What does it matter if jack the rear up? Front tires. The front tires fall. They're flat. Okay, so take his jack out for now. Oh my god, that thing is embedded.
Is it?
Janitor Joe.
Yeah. So I just finished my 8 hours at Chrysler, building the brand new cars there, the nice Demons and Hellcats and Red Eyes. This is my part-time job. Janitorial duties. They're being the next gatekeepers to this car.
That's it.
Oh. Please bear with us as we clean off the stage. This is Act 2. After 30 years of what do you call it?
Sitting idle? Stagnant?
Not stagnant. I'm terrible for words, people. Oh, 30 years of slumber. That's the word I was looking for.
Hibernation, more like.
Hibernation, okay. I know this wasn't their form of attraction bar, but 30 years rested on a block with the wood. There you go.
2x4.
2x4. She's a little dry now and a little bent.
Smells like Varsol.
Oh, they changed the brake lines. We might be lucky.
Actually?
Look at that. Yep, new cylinders, because see the bleeders?
Oh, jeez.
They're bigger than usual. That one too? No?
Yeah.
And the lines are new.
And the lines are new.
So,
She might not be seized after all. Nope. Spoke too soon.
yeah, good luck on that one. That's got a little forward. Mike?
Yours too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Oh yeah, a little curb rash there. Just a little.
Yeah. Just a wee bit.
Just put that in the trunk after. Dad's thinking he's 18 still.
I can get in there.
That's a little tight.
So I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but diseases like COVID-19 generate from places like this, where things are undisturbed. There's prehistoric centipede there, probably. Yeah? Anyway, some stuff's growing on in there. You best mind your lungs.
She's a little flat.
She's a little fly. She's the Flintstones.
Oh yeah.
Square wheels.
Just squared up. Oh, look at that. It'll support itself. Bingo. All right, well, Dad's working on the rear. I'm gonna get the fronts started. Oh yeah, just a little tight. Hey, make it out down there.
Oh, I'm good.
All good?
My glasses are fogging up.
Take the mask off. Oh. Pretty tight. Oh, I'm gonna need a smaller screwdriver for that one. Oh my god, you should see the dent in this one. Alright. Jesus. It's got some vengeance in it. The trunk. Holy. Just put those in there. Oh yeah, she smells like Varsol. Got the jack. That's good. Got some jumper cables thrown in too. Nice. The original jack stickers in there still. Nice.
How's the work coming along?
Oh, my back's killing me already. So she was definitely rusted.
Yeah.
Rusted to the shoes.
We're getting there.
These are C's to the shoes.
But that side's all done.
You guys need anything? You want a coffee or anything?
I'm good, thanks very much anyway.
Actually, wouldn't mind a coffee.
All right, how do you take it?
2 milk, 2 sugar.
All righty.
Appreciate it, thank you.
It's like cracking the seal. Oh, that thing was glued on. Look at that. What is that, Mike? The air cleaner. Carb looks relatively decent. She'll run. Let's see how good this oil is. Oh, she's full. That's good.
Master?
A little dirty.
Master?
I'm checking the master next. Hold on. Oh, I'm gonna need a wrench for that, or socket. Moment of truth. Alright. I need the screwdriver. Pry this guy open. Oh my god. Oh, gee. I need a screwdriver for that. Jesus. Bone dry in the front, which actually looks relatively clean. And then there's some good old rusty crusty in the back. But it was definitely a new master at one time. I wonder if she'll turn over. That's probably the first thing I should have checked. Okay. Moment of truth. If she'll turn over. Hey, you think she'll turn over?
What? Battery?
Oh, that was beyond easier than I thought. What is scraping? Something's scraping. It's probably the water pump. Oh yeah. She's loose.
All the way?
Oh, I don't know about all the way.
Well, you're probably fighting the compression too. Oh boy, look at that, people.
Oh yeah, that's 360.
What do you think, people?
I wonder when that was done.
Simplicity.
B of E. Authorized parking. 429. What's the odds? 429 was made. Destiny.
We got wheel action. No pausey?
No problem.
No, not even a You can help us out there, good lord. Good lord. The beautiful Biondina just walked by walking her dog, was all. She was either looking at your ass or looking at the back of this Mustang Convertible, thinking one day she's gonna own one like that.
Alright, so here's a better look now that we got the car moved off of the wall. See the coating of dust from sitting. That's got the light. I don't even mouse poop.
Oh, I don't know. Some pretty long.
That's pretty long for mouse poop.
Maybe a small rat. Trim looks all these.
Yeah, not bad. She'll polish up. No, I'm just kidding.
It's got the Canadian pit going on.
Yeah.
Can't expect much.
There you go.
What do you got going on here? Need some WD?
Need some WD over there.
What is a mint?
Yeah,
Trim's mint.
it's under the trim that you gotta worry about.
Oh no, keep the trim on then. Oh, what's this? Compression 120.
120, 110, 110,
111.
111.
Wow,
111.
They actually read a 111 instead of 110.
So,
Oh, well,
So
She's got potential.
someone's been playing around with her
She's got potential.
back in the day. Turn signal hood, which is nice. Sorry,
Is that a gold air cleaner or is it just rusted?
I don't even know, actually.
My God. Aren't they supposed to be blue?
I don't. You know what? It's silver.
What's the side?
It's silver. Look, actually, no,
real?
that's serious. It's silver.
I've never seen that before.
It's just caked with dirt.
Whatever. She's gonna run. Open up that master
Yeah.
and fill her back up.
You gotta clean the rear though. The rear's pretty gooky.
Is it?
Now, is the rear brakes or is it the rear the front on these?
The rear is the front, yes.
Yeah. This looks like a Record Rad. What does that say? Dominion Auto Radiator Service, 38 Hirons Street. That's probably Toronto somewhere.
I wonder if he has a battery charger here.
You think that's gonna charge?
Yeah.
Turbo fire.
It's Motor Master.
More power.
Okay, let's get back to work here.
Maintenance free. We'll see about that.
Need some. We couldn't fit the brake lathe in the trunk, so you know, a little bit of sandpaper,
a little bit of 40 grit.
little bit little bit of flexing going on, old style. Everything's moving now.
All right, so we got all 4 brakes unseized. We got the drums cleaned. We got the shoes cleaned. I even went ahead and cleaned the bowls in the master cylinder. Pretty good progress so far. We left the car jacked up on the jack stands. We brought those 2 tires that are on the rear. We're gonna bring all 4 tires home that came off of the car, pump them up, see how long they hold for, and when we do further work on the car, we'll bring those 4 tires back and install them. The reason being is the rear tires that we put on are a little shorter, so when we're lowering the car down the driveway, it's heaved quite a bit, so we want to make sure that we have as much ground clearance as possible. But that about wraps it up for this episode of Classic Mustangs 429. If you like what you saw, please hit the like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for future episodes. Thanks for watching.